welcome back to Rust Coding Challenges. Today to some LeetCode number 1, the most famous coding interview question there is. You're given a list of numbers and a target, and you have to find the two numbers that add up to that target and return their positions. The obvious way tries every pair, which is slow, but there's a clean one-pass trick using a hash map that finds the answer by walking the list exactly once. Let's build it in Rust. Here's the setup. You have a list of numbers and the target sum, and you need the two numbers that add up to the target returning their positions in the list, their indices. The brute force approach checks every possible pair. For each number, scan all the others, looking for a match. That works, but it's quadratic, painfully slow on big lists. The trick is to flip the question around. Instead of asking who pairs with me, we remember every number we've seen, and for each new number, ask has its partner already gone by? That partner is the complement, target minus the current number, and the hash map makes that lookup instant. Here's the whole idea in one picture. We walk left to right, keeping a hash map that remembers each value we've seen and the position it was at. For every number, we compute its complement, target minus this number, and ask the map, have I already seen that? Watch it on 2, 7, 11, 15 with target 9. First number is 2 at index 0. Its complement is 9 minus 2, 7. Is 7 in the map yet? No. So we record 2 at index 0 and move on. Next is 7 at index 1. Its complement is 9 minus 7, which is 2, and 2 is in the map at index 0. We found the pair. We return index 0 and index 1, and we're done without ever looking at 11 or 15. One pass, and the map turns the search for a partner into an instant lookup instead of a scan. Let's build it. The function takes the numbers and the target and returns a vector of two indices. We set up an empty hash map that will remember each value and the index we saw it at. The loop is empty for now, and if we somehow find no pair, we return an empty vector at the end. Let's fill in the loop. And this is the whole algorithm. We walk the list with both the index and the value in hand. For each value, we compute its complement, target minus the value, and ask the map if we've already seen it. If we have that earlier index and this one are our answer, and we return them immediately. If not, we record this value and its index in the map and keep going. Each number is visited once, and every lookup and insert into the hash map is instant. So the whole thing is a single linear pass. No nested loop, no scanning. Let's run it. On 3 examples, on 2, 7, 11, 15 with target 9, it returns 0 and 1, the 2 and the 7. On 3, 2, 4 with target 6, it returns 1 and 2, the 2 and the 4, and on 3, 3 with target 6, it returns 0 and 1, correctly using the same value at two different positions. Every case right in one pass over the list. Why does it work? For any number, the number it needs to pair with is completely determined. It's the target minus itself, the complement. So the only question is whether that complement has already appeared. A hash map answers that in constant time, no scanning. As we walk, we drop each value and its index into the map, so by the time we reach the second half of a pair, the first half is already sitting there waiting. The first time a complement is found, we have our answer. That turns a quadratic search into a single linear pass at the cost of a little memory for the map. A quick recap. To find two numbers that sum to a target, don't try every pair. For each number, compute the one partner it needs, the complement, and use a hash map to check instantly whether that partner already went by. Store each value and its index as you go, and the first time a complement matches, you've got your answer. It's one pass, linear time, using a hash map instead of a nested loop. Whenever a problem says find two things that combine to a target, reach for the complement plus a hash map. A quick note, breaking these algorithms down in Rust, line by line, takes real work. If it helps you, the wallets are on screen and there's a Ko-fi link below. Every tip funds the next one. Thank you. That's to sum the interview classic, solved in a single pass with a hash map and the complement trick, no nested loops. It's the pattern behind a whole family of these problems. Subscribe so you don't miss the next challenge, tell me in the comments which problem to break down next, and I'll see you there.